gentlemen. Thank you for coming to this important business meeting. We have a very serious problem. In the last 10 years, more than 40 million Americans have cut the cord. As a result, we are losing billions of dollars in advertising fees. Soon, we will go bankrupt, and we will be living under a bridge. We need to change the way people consume news. It needs to be more like a religion. It needs to be more exciting, more addicting. We need to make people need us. But, sir, how do we make news more exciting? Yeah, and how do we make people need us? And how do we make news more important than religion? Guys, look into my eyes. This is how I plan to save the news industry. We must divide and conquer. We will make people disagree and fight with each other. This will create a perpetual cycle of bad news. All of this bad news will make us rich beyond our wildest dreams. Fox News. Your job is to instill fear and stupidity into people. You will make the white man believe that the Mexicans are coming to take their job. Fox News. You must instill fear into people by constantly telling them that, one day, Islam and Sharia law will rule them. You must also convince people to argue over the stupidest things, like how Satan-worshipping pedophiles in the deep state seek to undermine Donald Trump. You will tell Americans that the world is getting colder, and how coronavirus will just disappear, like magic. This will force intellectuals to uncontrollably argue with these mindless barbarians. Fox News. You will also pretend to be the friend of veterans. This will make your side feel like they are the righteous ones. CNN and ABC. You will pretend to be the friend of black people. You will always show black people images of them being killed by the white man or a cop. They will think you are trying to help them. They will trust you. So, they will always need you because you will teach them to be a victim. They will come to you for guidance. Then you must encourage black people to get mad, rise up, and destroy themselves. All of this pain, suffering and destruction will create an endless cycle of bad news. The Young Turks. You must instill fear into people by being honest with them. Because everyone knows socialism is bad. Just kidding, but seriously, teach your progressive viewers to hate both Democrats and Republicans. Also teach them to hate the white man, cops, Christians and Jewish people. Here's the bottom line. All of you guys must teach your subscribers to hate their fellow brothers and sisters based on their political ideology. Teach them that any person with an opposing view is their enemy. People must never be allowed to agree with each other. That way they can never join together as one. You must understand that humans are natural problem solvers. If you allow people to unite, they will come together to form a perfect world. Do not allow them unite, or they will come to realize that we are the problem. And they will destroy us. So, does anyone have any questions? Hey, boss. You are a genius. This plan will make us rich beyond our wildest dreams. Hey, don't you dare call me boss again. When you talk to me, you address me as the President of the United States of America. Sorry, Mr. President. But Mr. President, what happens when people like Bernie Sanders tell the world that corporations are taking advantage of society? Bernie might create unity among society, like Malcolm X did, or Dr. Martin Luther King, or John Lennon. Don't worry guys. I will handle the messy stuff. Just go do your job, and keep dividing America.